If you suspect that your DoorDash account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your DoorDash account. Make sure to check for any typos before submitting your request. Step 4. Check your email for a reset link. Look for an email from DoorDash containing a password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. After completing these steps, you should be able to log back into your DoorDash account. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for added security and monitor your account for any further suspicious activity.